guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use effects on Snack Video. So first, you're just going to want to press the plus button over here and select Effects and select the effect you want to use. I'm just going to use, for instance, this one right here. Oops. I'm just covering the camera because I don't want to be seen. Actually, let's pick another one. This one. And then, for instance, you want to favorite the effect. You're just going to press on this sort of bookmark icon and it's going to be in your favorite. And to use the effect, you're just going to record. You can either choose video or short. So press video and record. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!